Welcome back to this training course on planning. In the last video, we discussed strategies for overcoming common planning challenges. In this video, we will focus on reviewing your progress and learning from your experiences. Reviewing your progress involves looking back at what you have achieved and reflecting on what worked well and what could be improved. Regular review can help you to learn from your experiences and make better plans in the future. By taking the time to reflect on your progress, you can identify areas for improvement and make changes to your plans as needed. So, how do we review our progress effectively? There are several techniques and tools that can help you to review your progress. Some of these include conducting a SWOT analysis, using a journal or diary, and seeking feedback from others. Let's take a closer look at each of these techniques. First, conducting a SWOT analysis can help you assess your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. A SWOT analysis is a simple tool that allows you to evaluate your performance in relation to your goals. By identifying your strengths and weaknesses, you can build on what is working well and address areas for improvement. Second, using a journal or diary can help you to reflect on your experiences and learn from them. And third, seeking feedback from others can help you to gain a fresh perspective on your progress. Ask others for their feedback on how well you are doing and what could be improved. Use this feedback to make changes to your plans as needed. So remember, effective review involves conducting a SWOT analysis, using a journal or diary, and seeking feedback from others. In the next video, we will recap the key concepts covered in this course and discuss next steps for continued growth. See you there.